my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to start off at HomeGoods. I just popped in there this week to see what was in there, and TJ Maxx. So I'm going to share with y'all a little of both. I always am looking at the seasonal items, and I'm looking for a tablecloth for the 4th, and I haven't found one that I absolutely loved yet. I found one online on Amazon that I love, but sadly it won't get here until after the 4th. So I've been looking the last few times I've been in here for a table runner or a tablecloth. They had lots of really pretty options. Y'all know I love the like bedazzled beadwork on the table runners, but nothing that I just thought I had to have. I did love this one. It was probably my favorite, but I have a couple of just like blue ones or gingham ones, so I'm just going to make those work for this year again, which they'll work for every year, but I just wanted to find something a little bit different. I like to be buying pieces just to be buying it, to share with your hauls. Like, I really want to find pieces that I love to bring into our home. Also, just glanced at the shower curtains one more time because y'all know we are trying to redo Casey's bathroom just to add a little bit more color in there. I found these hydrangea like oven mitts I thought were really pretty, and then I really liked these kitchen towels as well.
If it's under 20, I'll get it.
She's getting stuff for Paisley's room. Under 20, I don't think it's gonna be under 20.
Where's the... See the tag? The tag's gone.
Well, we can take it up there for a price check. That one's perfect. It's little.
I know. I'll take it up there.
I also love looking at the lamps. Not like I need another lamp, but all of these blue and white ones were gorgeous. Now, these small ones were like $60 and $70, but they also had some larger ones here, and they were the same price. So I wish that these smaller ones would have been a little bit better of a price. Brittany really wanted to get Paisley, those are my cousins, by the way. She wanted to get Paisley a little lamp like this, but they were like the same price as a big lamp, but they were beautiful. I also loved a lot of pieces here on this little shelf. I'm all the time looking for the blue and white pieces here at HomeGoods or TJ Maxx, and I love this little garden stool also. I really want one of these. I think I want to get one to put it in between my 2 swivel chairs on my back patio, so we have another place to put like food or drinks while we're out there. What's the chances of being right here? 40. Oh man, I really like that one. And I always check out their napkins because we use these all the time, and they have the most cutest seasonal napkins. I loved so many of these, but they didn't have the prints that I liked in the square. They only had the prints that I loved in the rectangle. So I think I'm gonna have to probably invest in a rectangle napkin tray as well. I originally saw these. I had to put those back once I saw this one. I thought these hand towels were cute. This was in the checkout line, and then in TJ Maxx, I filmed a few things, really just the hats. This was all that I filmed. I thought all of this was so cute, so I wanted to share it with y'all. I loved this hat. I almost got it, but I left it behind. But that's all that I filmed in TJ Maxx because I forgot. So while we were out yesterday, I had somebody on Facebook Messenger tell me that they wanted our dining room chairs. They actually sold this morning, so y'all tell those chairs goodbye. I loved them so much, but it's time to bring in something new and fresh, and I have been on the lookout, and I have some ideas. I'll kind of share with y'all some clips of what I'm kind of thinking, but I don't know exactly what we're going to do yet, so y'all let me know what you think in the comments down below. So I actually ran to Rustic Relics one day before I had to take Casey to his swim lessons. And if you are new to my channel, Rustic Relics is like a little antique store, and all the time finding good treasures there and for really good prices. So I have just a little bit of a haul that I was going to share with y'all for today's video. And then I also have a very delicious, fast and easy. I've been trying to share more recipes over on my channel these last few seasons because I have been loving to cook. We started doing the Walmart delivery, and that has been a game changer for me. So I hope that y'all are enjoying those little recipes and meal ideas. So let me know if you are down in the comments down below, and I will continue them because I have lots of pins saved on Pinterest of new recipes that I want to try. Okay, real quick, we will start with HomeGoods. So I picked up these 2 wrapping papers. So Father's Day is Sunday. I'm gonna share with y'all what I got Drew for Father's Day too. I got these at HomeGoods, and I got this green polka dot paper for his, but then I also loved this hydrangea one, and we don't have any more wrapping paper. We ran out, so I just picked it up too. Also, I wish that I had some bodies that I could wrap their presents in both of these because they coordinate really well together. I also picked this up a few weeks ago, but I was going to share it with y'all. I got this, I could not resist, at TJ Maxx. So I got a shirt to put in here for Drew, but look how well that these coordinate. This is so, so cute for Father's Day. It looks like the little Ralph Lauren polo bear. So I grabbed that. While we're talking about Father's Day, Drew got a new grill for like his birthday, Father's Day. His birthday is in May, Father's Day is June, so he wanted a new really nice grill. So he got like, I've shared it on my videos before and I will link it down below because he is obsessed with it. He did a lot of research to figure out the perfect one that he wanted. So he got one that is like a smoker, a grill, you can bake on it. And we did have a Blackstone and we loved it, but we actually got rid of it to replace it with this new grill. And one of the reasons why he picked this one is because you can actually buy this griddle to make it like a Blackstone as well. So this is like an all-in-one grill, I feel like. And so I bought him the griddle that I'm going to give him for Father's Day. This shirt from TJ Maxx, since the 4th is coming up, I loved this pretty blue and how it had it on the sleeves and the collar. This like little Tommy Hilfiger shirt. I was honestly wishing, but I looked both places and I couldn't find anything. I may try to find one this weekend because I really want to get him a polo shirt. This totally matched the theme. So I really want to find a polo shirt that I really like to get him. So we are going places this weekend. So I'm going to be on the hunt for one because I would love to wrap his griddle in this and then put his Ralph Lauren shirt in this. Not if I don't find one, I'm just going to put this one in here. I also at HomeGoods have been looking for some new summer napkins to put because I'm almost out of these. And I got this little acrylic napkin holder at Rustic Relics for like $8 and they're online for like around $30. So I was so excited. I did like a huge Rustic Relic. I've actually done like 2 or 3 of those in the past few months. I've like hit jackpot in there. But I love this little napkin holder and I wanted one that was kind of summery, some more napkins. I've been looking for new napkins to go in there the past few times that I've went. I haven't found any that I loved. Y'all saw that I picked these up. And I just love this. These are so made. These were $3.99. Also picked up these napkins. I was having the hardest time finding just square napkins. There was tons of rectangle ones that I loved. I just could not resist these. So I think I'm actually going to go out to eat for breakfast and to shop around in my favorite little places on Saturday. I am going to vlog that for y'all. There's a bunch of places I want to take y'all in. They're so, so cute. But I think I'm going to get another napkin holder that's like wicker and has scallops. That's rectangle. I also picked up these little mittens. Oh, I just realized these are Martha Stewart. That makes sense now. I have some just like this that are black and white stripe, but girls, you know. We've been so into the blue and hydrangeas, so I'm gonna keep the black and white stripe ones too. I will use these for spring and summer. They're just so darling. Okay, I was in line at HomeGoods and these things will get you every time. I haven't bought one in a while, but they're only 99 cents. It was just precious. So I have had these things to keep them for years. They're even good to like take with you to like throw your wet swim clothes and towels in whenever you get through swimming at the pool or lake or whatever. So another good idea for those would be, they have them out every season. Every season they put out new like themey bags. I think it would be so cute to pick up one of those instead of like a actual gift bag because then they can reuse that. Actually cheaper now that I think of it. They're cheaper and bigger and more practical than the gift bags. The gift bags there are usually like $2.99 or more. So I think buying one of those to match like the theme of the season or the birthday gift, whatever you're doing, I think that would be a really good idea. Put your presents down in it, put tissue paper in it, and I feel like that's a fabulous idea. The last thing that I picked up from HomeGoods, saving the best for last, is this gorgeous ginger jar. This one was $40, but as you can see, it is massive. I probably didn't need another ginger jar, but I don't have any that have this design on it, and I just could not. Like, this had to come home with me. We will find a spot for this. I'm all the time looking for ginger jars, blue and white decor when I go to TJ Maxx or HomeGoods because they're most affordable there. I feel like my collection is complete besides these 2 specific styles that I'm still looking for. So I have been on the hunt for those for about a year now, and I have found them, but they are super pricey. So I'm trying to shop around for the best deals. So maybe I will find them this week. Found this at the at home store. I had it shipped to me and I wanted to share it with y'all in this video. So I just got it this week. It is this beautiful little wicker vase. Now I have like 2 different styles of a wicker vase right now, but I don't have one like this. And this Pinterest picture inspired me. I've had it pinned for, I believe, a year or 2 now. And this one looks identical. And I like the color and texture and size of this one actually better than I do my Walmart one. So this one was from the at home store. It was $20. And they do ship. So I did have to pay for shipping, but it was totally worth it for me because I have been wanting a vase like this, like I said, for a couple of years now, and I finally found the perfect one. I'm gonna tie like a little ribbon around it. Okay, at Rustic Relics, I picked up this really pretty little oyster shell that someone had like Mod Podged. It probably was like a napkin or something, and they Mod Podged it on this oyster shell and then painted the edging of it gold. I thought it was so pretty. Now this was supposed to be a napkin ring. They actually had 4 of these, but they were priced individually, and so they put like a little like fishing wire or something on it. I am going to cut that off because I think this will be cute. It would actually be really cute too for like a little Christmas tree ornament. But I think it would be cute sitting in my bathroom and me putting like my rings or jewelry in it. So I think it's going to be like a little jewelry holder. I thought it was really beautiful. I loved it. And this was like $6.95, I believe. I also picked up, these were like these were like $6 for a pack of 6, so like $1 a piece. And they are actually little shell napkin rings. Oh my gosh, so cute. I just had to have these. Like these will be so fun to have to bring out during the summer season if I wanted to set our table like a little coastal summery vibe. And they were so inexpensive, so I did pick these up. This, y'all, I got this for like $4. It's a little candle holder. I feel like this will be so beautiful styled on like our bar cart area or even in my bathroom, like on my vanity. It's just so gorgeous. And again, $4, such a good price for this beautiful piece. The next thing I couldn't resist was this teddy bear. He was $10. Loved his little flag sweater. And then I realized he was a TYB baby, so I had to get him. I'm going to use him in Casey's room. I have already decided that once we do like his big boy room, the plan is to kind of do it navies, light blues, a touch of green, kind of like a Ralph Lauren vibe, but I guess my own version of it because I still want to make it more of like a little boy's room and not so grown, if that makes sense. So I thought that little bear would be the perfect little touch in there. And honestly, just putting this in his room right now around the summertime, oh, it's just so cute. So I love this little bear. The thing that I picked up was something that I had been eyeballing whenever I've been into Rustic Relics the last few times. And I thought, if it's still there, I'm going to get it because it's such a good deal. I couldn't stop thinking about it. I think I'm going to put it in our foyer for around the summertime. I want to, one day, whenever we ever do cases like Big Boy Room, I want to use this in there. I got this piece of art for $26. It is absolutely stunning and big. The big ship, and then you can also see it has like the American flag on it. I just loved this. I am so happy that it was there still. Y'all know in the foyer that I love that sign that I have. I know they're saying like the signs are like out, but this one just has so much meaning for me, so I do love it, and I've kept it there for every season. And I thought, let's just change it up a little bit by adding this ship art in there this year, by adding this art in there for the summertime, and then I can just put it away and hopefully use it in Casey's room one day. Okay, I'm gonna share with y'all a really yummy, easy recipe. We like these sweet Hawaiian rolls. These are sub rolls. We put them on the pan. There is the marinara that we're using, and then we're gonna just sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on here, and then you top it off with pepperonis. It's so good. Then you just bake it in the oven until the cheese gets good and melty and the toast gets a little toasty. And then I'm also gonna make a salad. So we have some romaine lettuce, we have some Parmesan cheese I'm going to grate up, and then we have some cherry tomatoes. I'll cut these in half. Pepperoncinis. We have the Greek olives. I bought another thing of pepperoncinis because I didn't know if we had enough. You can do ranch with this, or my favorite, Olive Garden, and I have more, but we're gonna use this one up first. So I'm gonna make this salad up real quick. such an easy and delicious meal, and we ate it for 2 different nights, and I craved it both nights. It was just so good. We used to eat those all the time at my mom's house growing up. Now I'm going to share with you how I'm going to style a few of my pieces, and then that is going to be all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. We have lots more decorating coming up. We're going to be doing more summer decorating for the July decorating. We are going to be sharing a weekend vlog with y'all. The plans are to on Monday, so you can see these beautiful places that I have been talking with y'all about for the past few videos. They're just so pretty, and I hope that we find some good finds, maybe some of those little chinoiserie pieces. But if you enjoyed this video, and if you have not already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. I love you guys so much. I hope that y'all have a great rest of your weekend and Father's Day weekend. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, friends.